Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here from Kaizink, and today I am showing you the proper way to upload videos to our YouTube channel. And step number one is going to be to go to YouTube. Once you're here, go ahead and make sure that you're using the Kaizink account here, and that can be changed under the Switch Accounts drop down right here. Next, you're going to go to YouTube Studio. And from here, you're going to click Create, Upload Videos. Now at this point, you're good to just drag and drop your video file into this window. And the title is going to populate with our naming convention. And this is designed to just select and replace each section. So the department, let's just call this large format. Equipment can be roll, laminator, description, we'll just call this okay. Now in the description, if you have any additional notes, you can go ahead and put those down here. When the video has processed, you can click on this middle button here to choose a different thumbnail. This does take a little time for it to populate though, but if those did populate for you, can just go ahead and click done and it will change your thumbnail image. Next, you could choose what playlist this video saves to. And now this doesn't save them in any particular order, but I do find it valuable to keep all your videos together for your department. That way, if you are working within Trainual or you just want to see how many videos you do have as a whole for the department, you could quickly access that information. So next you're going to click into monetization, and we're going to turn that on, and go ahead and click next. Now ad suitability, as long as you aren't swearing or you create your videos the way that the rest of us create videos here, you just scroll down to the bottom and go ahead and click on none of the above. Click next. Scroll up and hit submit rating. Now you can click next. If you used any stock music from Adobe or anything like that, you could go ahead and plug in that code here. If not, just go ahead and continue. And this is the YouTube copyright check, so you can go ahead and continue through that. And now for visibility, for most videos that we're going to put out, we can go ahead and click public. But if it does have customer information, financial information, or personal information, you can go ahead and make that video unlisted. And when the video is unlisted, you can go ahead and share the link, and that's the only way that people will be able to locate this video. At this point, you're good to go ahead and click publish, and the video will go live. Thanks for watching.